Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to set up eye tracking on iPhone or iPad. If you're using iPhone or iPad and you want to set up eye tracking on your phone, so let's see how can I do that. So you just have to open your settings app and here go for accessibility section and you'll find the option of eye tracking here. You just have to select that and now you just have to enable the toggle to enable eye tracking in your phone. So after enabling eye tracking, you can easily control your iPhone using your eyes. So you just have to enable this toggle, and now you just have to follow some instructions on your screen. And once you have done, your eye tracking will be enabled. And after enabling that, you can easily customize the smoothing for your eye tracking on your iPhone or iPad. So after that, you can easily control your iPhone or iPad using the movement of your eyes. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.